Hello, this is Evelyn from Creator. I'd like to take this chance to introduce our company. Established in 1997, located in Guangzhou, we have provided the many solutions to the government, the school, the military, and the library for the audio and the visual solutions. And we have our own factory, department, and warehouse. So this time we have took about 4 series type to this show. The first one is a matrix switcher. The second one is our 4 digital conference system. The second one is our modular multimedia control system. And the first one is our business conference room solution. It is a kind of interactive whiteboard and is an innovative, efficient equipment with writing, presentation, and collaboration functions. It enables the participant write and take on this display and save it at any time. You can use it transmit the HDMI, or HDBaseT and the visual signals. It makes the conference more efficient. And our website is www.creator1997.com. Welcome to our website for more information and looking forward to making cooperation with you. Thank you.